In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe account, updated for the latest process. If you're looking to get started with Stripe, whether for your business or personal use, following this guide will help you navigate their account setup smoothly and efficiently. Let's begin by heading to Stripe's sign-up page. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is enter some basic information. Input your email address and full name, and then create a secure password. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but is also strong enough to ensure your account remains protected. After that, select your country from the drop-down menu and click on Create Account. This step marks the beginning of your journey with Stripe, setting the foundation for what's to come. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Stripe will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click on the link inside to activate your account. It's important to complete this step promptly, as it ensures your account is securely linked and confirmed. Verifying your email not only sets the groundwork for future communications with Stripe, but also adds a layer of security to your profile. Once your email is verified, Stripe will guide you through the process of completing your account activation. Here, you'll need to enter several pieces of information. Start with your business details, even if it's just your own name, and a brief description of your website or project. You'll also need to specify your business type, such as individual, sole trader, or company. This information helps Stripe understand the nature of your operations and customize their services to better suit your needs. Next, fill in your personal details, including your full name, address, date of birth, and a contact email or phone number. Depending on your location, this step might also require you to submit a copy of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity further. At this point, it's time to add your bank account details. You'll need your account number and routing information, or IBAN, to specify where you'd like Stripe to deposit your payouts. Ensuring these details are accurate is crucial, as it directly affects how and when you'll receive your funds. You'll also be prompted to provide a tax or ID number, such as an SSN or EIN for users in the United States. This step is vital for compliance with financial regulations and ensures the proper handling of your transactions and taxes. Before you wrap up, it's a good practice to enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can do this through an authenticator app or via SMS. This feature is essential for protecting your account from unauthorized access and adds an extra layer of security to keep your information safe. Finally, review all the information you've entered and make sure everything is accurate. Agree to Stripe's terms and conditions and then hit either Submit or Activate to finalize your account setup. Verification times can vary, with most accounts being activated swiftly. However, if you're operating in a high-risk industry or from a country that Stripe doesn't fully support, you might experience some delays. That's it. You're now ready to start using Stripe for your financial transactions, and you can confidently move forward, knowing your account is set up securely and correctly.